Welcome to your short tutorial on how to move a tooth or group of teeth toward the mesial and distal in DIBS AI. Clicking the right or left arrow will move a tooth until it contacts a neighboring tooth. Similar to a bulldozer, once the selected tooth contacts its neighboring tooth, it will continue to move the selected tooth as well as all other teeth in that direction. Next, when you press the Shift button while pressing the right or left arrow, your selected tooth will stop once it contacts a neighboring tooth. Additional clicks will not result in unwanted movement of teeth not selected. The third approach is to simulate IPR by holding the Control button while moving a tooth towards the mesial or distal. When pressing Control and the right or left arrow button, the selected tooth will overlap the neighboring tooth, simulating IPR on the tooth selected. Group movement. You can move a group of teeth by selecting the tooth on each end of the group while pressing the Shift key. You will need to expand the bracket adjustment panel to move the group. Pressing Shift will halt the group once it contacts the neighboring tooth. Releasing the Shift button allows you to move the entire arch. Pressing Control allows you to simulate IPR. This concludes our short tutorial. If you have any questions, please email sales@bracesondemand.com.